Jim. It's time.
I've been tugging on my pants since '94. Love you.
I always figured you'd end up here.
Well, it was either this or lose Sally. She's had enough. Figures this hikers thing will help, though.
Hikers have been my lead sponsor for years now. It's their third time through. Checks don't bounce.
Well, I figured you'd be retired by now.
Gave up golf, kept the tavern. I opened a rehab.
Mr. Parker?
Yep.
We're ready for you. It's gonna be okay, Jim. You're not alone.
I didn't think it'd get this bad. Whoa.
Frank didn't either. His belt squeezed the life out of him. I hung his buckle above the bar to remember him. Cold. Who wants to go first?
All right, I'll go. I lost my butt about the time I lost my hair.
Now that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what we're here for, right? Put the hat back on.
Well, I'm from a long line of belt sufferers.
Yeah, that's okay.
My belt gave out walking up to the pulpit. Flashed the entire choir. Sopranos still won't look me in the eye.
On that note, gentlemen, it's time to let go. Get a lift. Here, pass these around. It's time to burn the belts. Jim, you're amongst friends. It's okay to let go. You've got this. Gentlemen, I'm proud of you. Tomorrow I'm going to show you a better way. To new beginnings!
To new beginnings!
Jim?
Oh, your prescription's ready, Mr. Parker.
Better than a poke in the arm. And no side effects.
Go ahead. Try it on.
I can't even tell it's on. Comfortable, too. I should have done this 10 years ago. Sally was right. She's a keeper.
Welcome back, Jimmy.
I don't think I've ever been this happy. You know, life after belts does exist.
Okay, let's see some smiles. There we go. And show me that thing. Get it out there. Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Okay, wow, we're not gonna post that one. Let's try again.